Hello, do you know how to read and write numbers up to 100? If you don't, that's great, because we're going to teach you that today. So, numbers up to 100, we're not going to do all the numbers because that would just take ages. But what we are going to do is just a couple of different ones that are low and ones that are high. So, you could have numbers that between 0 and 100, something like 8. You could have, then if you wanted to make 18, you would just put a 1 in front of it, so the tens value, and you could keep going up. So if you keep adding the tens value, you'll go higher and higher and higher until you're 100. So for example, if we added 2 more into this one, it would be 38. Then you get another 2, 58, and it keeps going on and on and on and on and on. Okay, and that could be different variations or examples of numbers up to 100. But the point is knowing that all you have to do is know 0 to going up to 10, okay? And then all you've got to do is just change this tens value going up and up and up and up and up. So you could have something like 60 and then 2. And that would be a great number like that. Or another one like 91. And the final one, something different like 49, okay? So use information, play the next game, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye!